Lawmakers held a study focused on mental health treatment in Oklahoma jails at the state capitol today. Fox 25's Paige Taylor was at the study. Paige, were there some specific issues that lawmakers really got to take a look at today?
Well, Adam, some lawmakers say jails are being used as mental health facilities and looked at some ways more funding and resources could help.
Lawmakers taking a look at issues within the jail system in Oklahoma, specifically relating to inmate mental health. Speakers saying on a per capita basis, Oklahoma is one of the worst spending states on mental health and addiction crisis. A large majority of the conversation during the study surrounding jails being used as mental health facilities.
Putting people in jail and prison just because they have mental illness isn't right, and it's only perpetuating cycles of trauma and also costing the state more money in the end.
Lawmakers discussing how some people dealing with mental health issues end up in jail.
What we're seeing is more mental health issues staying on the streets, and our law enforcement are now having to deal with that, putting them in jail, and we see mental health people going to the penitentiary when they ought to be going to a mental health facility.
Speakers offering possible solutions to the issues, such as putting more funding into current and additional mental health facilities.
Right now, we only have one institution that services individuals who have mental incapacity, and that's Veneta. We got to make sure Veneta is properly funded. We got to make sure there's more beds available. There's a crisis that's taking place right now as far as bed space. So we have to make sure there's other facilities that we can use to service that population.
Representative Jason Lowe looking at what legislative action could be taken next session.
I think more access to diversion courts, more access to rehabilitation programs, and making sure that officers get the proper training, making sure that they don't just arrest people who are in crisis, get them into a facility, get them the treatment that they need.
And based on data from 2020, the Oklahoma Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services says Oklahoma ranked the 5th highest in the nation for rates of mental illness. Reporting live at the state capitol, Paige Taylor, Fox 25 News.